Every second counts when a cyber threat emerges. By integrating with your existing security tools, Arctic Wolf and the concierge security team can quarantine infected systems, reset compromised credentials, and neutralize threats in real time, so you prevent damage, protect your business, and get more value out of your Arctic Wolf partnership. Enabling integrations can be done directly from the unified portal. Navigate to the organization profile page, then click Integrations. If there are active integrations, they'll be listed in the table. IT security management services can also be integrated using the ITSM tab. Clicking New Active Response Integration opens the Active Response page and lists current available integrations that allow Arctic Wolf to take action when threats are detected in your environment. There are integrations for endpoint, network, cloud, email, identity, and other vendors. In our example, we'll configure Microsoft Entra ID. This integration will allow Arctic Wolf to enable or disable users, add or remove them from a security group, close user connections, and even force a password reset. Enabling an integration is typically a 3-step process. For step 1, we start by identifying and configuring the tool to allow response actions from Arctic Wolf. For example, in the case of an Entra ID integration, we'll need to assign a name for the integration, get a client and tenant ID, configure API permissions, and generate a client secret for secure communications. Step 2 is to enable the configuration and integration in the Arctic Wolf unified portal. The Active Response integration page lists the information needed. We use the integration name, client ID, client secret, and tenant ID we copied from step 1. The API base URL is a standard Microsoft Graph URL. Finally, while optional, we'll also include a restricted access group name. After entering in all the values, I click Save Integration. I'm redirected to the Integrations page where I now see the new integration is listed in the table. The final, and perhaps most important step, is a meeting between Arctic Wolf and the customer where they will sit down together to test the integration and then determine the appropriate containment policy. This establishes the ground rules for response, defining who, when, and how to respond to different types of threats. Active Response gives you the peace of mind to know that threats will be stopped before they spread, using Arctic Wolf and the tools you already have. Leveraging the concierge security team and the robust platform gives the customer strong protection, less complexity, and more value from your Arctic Wolf partnership.